All right, hello everybody. Today we are going to be setting up our site for Portfolio. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you're signed into the correct email. So make sure you're on your duncanpoly.org email. This is very, very important. Next, you're going to go to the little waffle. And you're going to click on Sites right here. Once you're here, you're going to click blank. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in your first and last name. Oops, sorry. And Portfolio. Very easy. Now your title page is going to be your first and last name again. Okay. You are going to be adding an image right here, and you're going to be taking that in Mrs. Beckham's class. So we'll leave a little spot for that. So you just click text box, and let's just put picture, just so we remember that we need to put a picture in there. And click text box again, and you're going to title this one Freshman Intro Paragraph. And you'll be writing that in another class. Okay, so yours should look like this. Next step is that we're going to go to Pages. We're going to make several pages right now, and then we'll go through and fill them in as we go through this tutorial. The first page is going to be called My Employability -9th grade. The next one is My Employability 10th grade. Oops, make sure you spell it correctly. Application. And do you see how I'm not clicking on these? I'm clicking the pluses because I want to make a new page, not a new subpage. Next is resume, and then cover letter. Okay, so you should have these 5 sections. All right. And then you are going to go to My Employability 9th grade. So do you see how the formatting just doesn't look very appealing? We're going to drag this out and center it. So it's like that. And you're going to go to Insert. We're going to insert a text box. And this is going to be kind of like a header almost. So we want to make it nice and bold. We're going to title it Relevant Employability Skills. Okay. Sorry. Oops. And then you are going to make it just a little different colors throughout, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. And next you're going to click text box again and type this one as communication skills. Again, we are going to do problem solving skills. Teamwork skills. Making sure that everything is titled correctly and nicely formatted. Professional and professional skills. Oops. And career skills. Another one for certifications. And last is portfolio day reflection. Okay, so if we look at all of these, it's kind of just plain and boring put like this. So what we're going to do is we are going to make them different colors so that they stand out a little bit better. So communication skills can be blue, and if we make them all blue, then we kind of have the same problem. So we're going to make every other one blue. Now in yours, you might choose a different style or a different color. This is just what I'm choosing to do. So you want see how we made this look all nice and like laid out better. Maybe you want the 9th grade to be on its own. That's your choice. Like that. You want to do the same thing to the 10th grade. So whatever you do to 9th grade, you want to do to 10th grade on the formatting. And you're not going to add the different subsections until 10th grade, which will be next year. One last thing that we're going to do is we're going to click this navigation setting, and we're going to change our navigation mode from top to side. And it's just going to make it look a little bit cleaner. So instead of having all those different headings up here, they're now going to be here. Okay. And you're going to be filling in all these different things in all your other classes. But as of now, your portfolio is begun. Okay. Make sure that you go through and double check that yours looks like mine, and make sure that you're signed into your Duncan Poly email and you are following the steps in all of your classes. All right.